Ghetto Bird. The geese are out and about. It's March 17th, 5 days after the grace of when my rent's due. My landlord goes by Reverend. Mazzy, there is a blue light in both of our best friends' houses. Mine beeps and tweaks on Covenant and Barn Spring. Blanco told FAPD. Got their eyes on the blink. Ghetto Bird. I love the police. They punctuate my wild politics. They are the cure for my autoimmunity disease. Ghetto Bird, loom above me. Ghetto Bird, take care of me. Send me back to the kennel, where I can pray with Romero in person. I'm in love with all of you in your absence. Ghetto Bird, your engine's too loud. I think I need you as much as you need me. L'appel du vie. This is a kid's book by Paul Andrew Rowland.